Bravo! Bravo! You stopped Rico cold!
Oh, shucks. Trent nothing.
Fat lot of good it done us. Alameda Slim has already flown the coop.
She's right. Unless we sprout wings, we'll never make it back in time.
I can't believe what I'm hearing. This train goes right by Patch of Heaven.
What is in the cud you've been chewing? How are we supposed to drive that thing?
How? How? I'll tell you how. The same way we walked off the farm into the unknown. The same way we fought off those burly barmaids. And the same way we braved the western wilderness without the benefit of food or water. We caught Slim once, and we shall do it again. Who's with me?
Get out of here, you fools! Head for the hill! Get it on! How's Brule?
Howdy, darling. Down here. Yeah, look down. Hello there.
Oh, no.
I got 2 words for you guys. Cold shower!
We don't have time for this nonsense. We have a farm to save.
Well, maybe we can help you. Maybe we can help each other.
Bye! Come up and see us sometime.
Reese!
Oh no! It's the Morning Express!
There's a switch up ahead! Way ahead of you, Pops. Hop on! Come on, Mule! Let's ride! Yeehaw! Ha, ha! Whoa! Oh, whoa! Whoa! Ah! See you back at the farm, girl! Good luck! This happens all the time.